Flip time. Oh, perfect.
Then we'll do the sorting in the pantry.
Yay.
Oh, yum. Hey guys, so this is now my pantry after weeks of sorting it out, cleaning and sorting. So a little tour of my pantry. So look at the cornflakes cereals for the boys. Few days later, nagbago na naman yung itsura nito, guys. Hey guys, it's Saturday night. Katatapos ko lang maghugas. Yan. At tsaka ito, hugasan ko rin kasi we will redo our pantry. I-arrange namin ulit ng niece ko. So, binigyan niya ako nito. Diba ang sweet niya? So, dalawang ganito. So, 8 pieces inside. So, 16 in all for the pantry organization. Pero hugasan ko muna kasi naman, syempre paglagyan natin to ng mga pagkain. Ayan oh. Ganda no? I think she bought it from Kmart. So may pang pasta dito. Mga pang nuts, pang cereal, pang popcorn. Ito yung pasta. Yung spaghetti or linguine. Okay, hugasan ko pa to kasi mag 12 p.m. mag 12 a.m. na. Ito yung binili namin sa Bunnings. So, this is how we use it for. So, yung iba, nalagyan na yan ng niece ko dati. So, ito na lang yung mga naiwan. This and this. Yung sa taas tapos na rin, except for that. And bumili kami ng 3 rolls. It should be enough. So this is used to protect the wood here. It's really durable. It's worth it. It's $4.50 for the whole roll. We are going to church, guys, with my boys. It's Sunday today. It's Sunday, kagagaling lang naming church. And right now, papunta kami sa Bunnings kasi bibili kami ng mga hooks for the paintings and artwork. And other things like soil for the garden. So I can repot the plants that need new soil.
I'm getting soil.
Yeah. I'm getting my soy mocha from Bunnings too. Ito kami pumupunta guys pag kailangan namin ng soil or anything about the house. And look, ang cheap ng toast nila. Like this is raisin toast. $1.50 only. And yung coffee nila is only $5.50 for a huge one. $5.30 plus 50 cents for my soy milk. And look guys, just add $1.50 to have this when you buy coffee. So here is now my mocha, half strength drunk because I don't like too much chocolate. Otherwise it really becomes so sweet. We're in the back area of Bunnings guys because bumili kami nito. We are using this para ma-protectionan yung wood. So it's $4.50. Our coffee. Ito na siya. Actually, we already had a lot and na-put down na namin yung ibang levels ng pantry. Ito na lang yung kulang. And yung aking soil. So, we got home from Bunnings. Ito pala yung sinuot ko. We're making late brunch. This is a late brunch. So, I'm making bacon and eggs and pancake. Grace is putting blueberries in his pancake. We're trying this, guys. This is a new one. Russian caravan. We haven't tried. Yay! Oh, yum. Lagyan natin ng lemon to, guys. So good, yum. What's the first advertisement that you can find in the Bible, Kylo? You learned it from the church today.
I did.
Yeah. What? Habakkuk. You know the book Habakkuk? Say Habakkuk.
I thought you said something else. I thought you said.
Habakkuk. Not have a Pepsi. Yeah. Okay. Is it good enough?
I don't even know what to say to you right now.
Okay, just enjoy your food. Hi guys, it's my turn to eat, and I will add passion fruit kasi bigay to ng in-laws ko. Yung kanina pinakita kong plate yun ng niece ko. Ito naman yun how I eat my pancake. Oh, and then I'll put maple syrup. Little bit only. That's it.
Okay,
So here it is now. I'm gonna add chocolate, melted chocolate. Ito na siya. Hirap naman. Sarap with passion fruit. It's something different. Making more pancakes for my nephew. And he wants
What time?
M&M's sprinkle.
Home by 8 o'clock.
Oy, how many pancakes with M&M's, Win?
Doha.
Huh?
Doha.
What?
What?
There's 4. Huh? There's 4 right now. You want some of this real?
I'll have one then.
All with M&M's.
Okay, I'll try for your specialties.
You never had M&M's? Bruh.
Okay, this is
I've been looking after you.
Pioneer.
But I bet you think though, right? Like, blueberries.
Should be enough. Then I still have to serve it with bananas, passion fruit, lemon, and strawberries. Okay, so you don't have to put maple syrup. Flip time. Oh, perfect. Ito na guys, yung mga jars na wash ko na to last night, and ilagay ko na yung mga na open na mga items. These are some of it, and
Oh yeah, wait.
so
Her.
do it. Oats, rolled oats, one of my favorites for breakfast. Okay, next time guys, baka for the next video, maghanap pa ako ng malagyan ko, mailagay ko dito. Then we'll do the sorting in the pantry. Guys, we started redoing this side of the pantry. Ayan, okay na siya. Except for this party stuff. So, we're continuing. Ang cool nito, guys. One more. Let's So cool. Currently, ganito yung situation dito, guys. So, ito yung bigger pantry. So, my niece and I are trying to make this more organized and acceptable to the eyes. The same time, functional siya. Okay. So, guys, so we are in the process of
Hopefully,
cleaning this. My niece is doing most of the work. Okay. It's a work in progress at the moment, guys. I will do the reveal soon. On here too. Malapit na. Come.
Kuya, let's go.
Can you commit to when you open the cereal, you will retain it like that way? Huh?
sure.
Okay. So put effort, huh? Okay.
What is this?
Hey guys, so this is now my pantry after weeks of sorting it out, cleaning and sorting, and then so it looks like now. So all my jars, glassware for the parties are here, there, and then here. And then here are the appliances that I use sometimes. And here are the medicines. So a little tour of my pantry or medicine pantry. So at the top is for the glassware that I rarely use. So ito yung pang parties din, guys. And then these ones here too, yung second level. So these are for the cakes and trifle. At pati yan, ito yung pang Korean dishes ko. And then here are the appliances that I rarely use too. Ito yung aking Smeg X Dolce & Gabbana blender. Here naman are the medicines and vitamins. Dito yung aming super daming sanitizer and yung mga COVID anti-gen mask, thermometers. Okay, so let's go to the main pantry for the food. Ito na siya. So, look at the cornflakes cereals for the boys. And then, ito yung canned foods, pasta. O, diba? May yung pasta containers, nuts, and whatnot. And, here, ito yung pang snacks nila. So, i-arrange ko muna tong up and go. This is for Jay's everyday. Nagbabaon siya nito. Yung container ko pala dito, guys, courtesy of my niece. Siya din yung nag-film ngayon. Thanks to her. Oh, and look at this. Pretty, no? For the cake. You know, guys, this little chair, para maabot ko, pang-abot ko lang to. So, I'm gonna put, this is where I put vases or vases. Diyan na siya. And this is the purpose for this little chair. These two white containers are for the party stuff. Ito yung aming mga jars when we have parties. In to the left are my vases na hindi rin ginagamit. So here are the spices. Marami pa doon sa kitchen area, pero ito yung seldom lang ginagamit. Itong chili gawa to ni hubby. Yan, more at the back. Yan yung mga cereal ng boys. At Hershey's syrup, Nutella stuff. And here, so yun yung mga pang snacks. Ito yung snacks ni Jace for the school. And here naman, okay, here are the pasta containers. Tsaka iba-iba pa. Ito walang laman. Pero ito, ayan, marshmallows. Ito naman yung pasta. And my canned goods. So, nag-iisa yung Spam. And here naman are the chips. And yung mga hindi nagagamit ng mga appliances stuff. Ito yung trays. Nasiyahan lang talaga ako kasi my niece put it in containers, multi-level containers. O, diba? Siya yung nag-style nito. Ito naman, ito yung pang picnic na trays. Pero yan yung ginamit niya dyan. Para magamit palagi kasi otherwise, seldom ko lang yan gamitin. And here, so marami talaga siyang mga containers na made of bamboo na binigay sa akin. So matching sila. Few days later, nagbago na naman yung itsura nito, guys. So this is the most part in my house na nagbago-bago, parang nag-evolve palagi kasi naman yung mga kids or kahit ako, di ba, ginagamit namin dito on a daily basis. Kaya nag-change na siya. So I will show a little bit of what's in here. Ito na yung up and go ni Jace na ubos na. Tsaka si Carlo kumakain din yan. And this one, I love this. Peanuts with sesame seeds. Ito yung mga snacks niya. Nila, Pokemon. And then, say that. And the crackers, biscuits. And look at that. So you can see it anyway. Diyan yung mga random candies and lollies. Diyan ko na nilagay yung Nutella. Yan yung mga mueslis. And look at how many soup now. And they're nag-restock si hubby. And ito, naging dalawa na yung Spam. Paborito yan nila yung corned beef ni Mikel. Dito naman yung mga sardines. Si hubby masyadong gumagamit nito. Yan yung go-to food niya. Or emergency food din. So yan, mga soups. And the pasta, yung nag-restock na rin. Pasta sauce. And this is Jace's, one of his favorite Korean noodles. Napaka spicy. Di ko kaya yan. And ito yung mga pinagluluto ko sometimes for my lunches. So this is lentils, orange. The thinner one. Ito naman lentils din to, pero yun yung mas thick. Para lang siyang munggo gawin. And so we go here. Ito yung pang baking. So baking stuff. So these are the flour, different flour. Self-raising, plain, loaf-o, and plain flour at the back. Dito yung breadcrumb, panko. And ito pala yung where I put the opened chocolates. So Itong mga ganito, mga ewan ko saan to nanggaling. From my niece yata to. Ito from the Tupperware. So ginagamit ko na lang dito. Para lang may mga storage yung mga opened nuts and chocolates. And so here is the tortilla. Because kasi mamaya mag-burrito ako. Palagi itong nauubos din. And yan another container for biscuits. That's from the Philippines. The Pasensya. Pasensya na. Ito din, no? Nandito yung mga open. Oh, nandito yung Polvoron. Hey, the plain and the cookies and cream. And then yung ice cream cones. Favorite to ni Jace. Kasi magsa-summer na sa balik tayo sa mga ice cream. Ito yung most favorite ko. I only got this from Dunside. So, hindi ko inubos kasi nag-iisa na lang para meron akong reference when I buy this again. And this one, oh, this is so cute. I got this from Leora in a chocolate factory there. Hindi ko nga ito nagagamit. May kumuha na yata eh. I only got this for the tin can container. And going down here, look how my niece arranged this. So, meron siyang stand. And, diba? Clever. Otherwise, nagpile-pile lang yan. Tapos, hindi maganda tingnan. Yan yung mga trays, oven trays. And ito. Gamitin na namin to ulit. Yung ice pop. Kasi mag-summer na. I'll show you this, guys. So nice. It's so cute. Look. Diba? Ang cute. I got this from New York. It's a small tray. Cute talaga siya. So, mamaya na kita ayusin. And another container for open items. So that's my favorite peanut cookies. I got that from Aldi. I love ko yan. Ito naman yung mga chocolates. Bars. Yan. Na-open na. So, alam nila to, yung mga kids ko pag pumunta dito. Pag medyo mawala, nandito lang pala sila kumakain. At kung lumabas sila, yun, busog na. Or hyper na dahil sa chocolates. And ayan, marami ng opened chips. Ilang days lang. And down here, I'm just showing you how I store my things. So I put it in transparent containers. So ayan na siya. So that's my pantry. Okay, so finish na. Alis ka na. Tapos na. Tapos, bye!